Who is Sean? Is it your brain? Is it your body? Is it your chest? Is it your arms? Is it your legs? And if you put it all together and say, that's Sean, which part? What is Sean? Because I can cut off your legs and arms and you can still live, right? You're still Sean. If I say Sean, you say yes. So it's not your legs and arms. If it's not your legs and arms, how could it be your torso? Or your head? Or your ear? Or your nose? This Sean that you have been living with, for lack of a better word, that says, I need to make money, I need to pay my bills, I need to get a girlfriend, I need to maybe have a family, I need to cut my hair, I need to eat, I need to sleep, I'm sick, I'm not well, I'm happy, I like this, I don't like this, this is bitter, this is sour, I prefer sour, I don't prefer bitter, I like sweet, I don't like salty, I like salty. Who is this Sean? Where does this Sean exist? This Sean that has all the preferences, likes and dislikes. Where is this Sean?